Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Bill4time rate tables. This tutorial will walk you through the process of creating and managing rate tables in Bill4time, a popular time tracking and billing software. To start, a rate table is a set of predefined hourly rates for different types of work, clients, or projects. It helps you to easily assign rates to your time entries and generate accurate invoices. Step 1 is to access the Rate Tables feature in Bill4time. To do this, navigate to the Settings or Configuration section of your Bill4time account and look for the Rate Tables option. Step 2 is to create a new rate table. Click on the Add New Rate Table button and enter a name and description for your rate table. This will help you to identify the purpose of the rate table and differentiate it from others. Step 3 is to add rates to your rate table. You can add multiple rates for different types of work, such as consulting, design, or development. Each rate should have a unique name and hourly rate associated with it. Step 4 is to assign the rate table to a client or project. This will ensure that the correct rates are applied to your time entries and invoices for that client or project. Best practice is to create separate rate tables for different clients or projects, especially if they have unique billing requirements. This will help you to maintain accuracy and consistency in your billing process. Another key concept is to regularly review and update your rate tables to reflect changes in your billing rates or client agreements. This will ensure that your invoices are accurate and up to date. In conclusion, Bill4time rate tables are a powerful tool for managing your billing rates and generating accurate invoices. By following these steps and best practices, you can create and manage rate tables that meet your specific needs and streamline your billing process.